That was hilarious. That was just so
They're like, wow, a big one.
I know.
Give it to me.
I know, dummy.
I know it's a big one.
Get the paper.
Yeah. Can you unwrap
This
it?
is something to play with when you're 4.
What is it?
What is it, Daniel?
What is it?
This is from
Grandpa and Mama.
Oh, that's for like next year too.
What age does it have on it?
It's good for birthday, wasn't it?
Age is over 9 months.
Oh, okay.
And
So
he-
he's
So
doing
just
about ready
about.
for it.
Wow.
He can't really play with all of it in one day anyway.
No.
What has he got?
He's got a piece of paper.
Hope it don't
Oh,
have lead.
as long as he doesn't go all the
Hope it
way.
don't have lead.
Yeah. Oh. Yummy, yummy. Got apples.
This looks like it has to be
Assembly.
assembled.
Yeah, let's put that off.
Yeah. We'll give that one.